So today, basically, I will be going to cover up all those new features comes up with the Microsoft Intune and the Windows 65. So thank you all for once again for joining in STMD monthly meeting. And as you know, every Intune service update includes new feature, bug fixes, and various improvements just to provide more flexibility. And based on the your feedback, Microsoft product team is working, keep working, and enhancing the product utility. So we'll be just going to see all those like quick insights, what comes for this month. And as you know, every month, Intune is releasing the new feature, which is basically denoting as a name, which is called YYMM form. So whenever like Intune will have the new feature, it will be going to be present in the form of like year and the month. For example, for this newly arrived feature will be going to be part of the service release 2508. So 25 is basically stand for the year 2025 and 08 is basically referring to the month of August. So that sounds simple, but yeah. So yeah, this is the quick glimpse of the newly arrived feature, added feature for this month, which is just for reducing the pain of the security update and during the autopilot processes. So now with this release, you will be have the ability, so you can be able to set it up. The settings which will be going to be allow the ability to offer the Windows quality update during the autopilot processes. So this will be going to be execute at the end at the last of the OB, and it will be going to be install all those like applicable quality update. So if you are already leveraging the ESP, the settings will be going to be uh, not enabled for you for the pre-existing, but you can modify it based on your needs, and you just need to go to the existing settings and you can be able to select it as a yes. But if you're going to start it from the scratch, you will be going to find it the settings has already been enabled for you. So this is like a major or like exciting enhancement for installing all those critical Windows update during the initial setup process. So by doing this, you will be going to be maintain all those compliance and the required update for the devices at the very beginning. And moving to the next, yeah, this is more about the multiple administrative approval, which is basically for like allowing you for like extra security layer, so that any of the like admins or any of the role based access you wanted to grant it for the such a critical remote device action, device retire, wipe and delete, you will be have the more granular control with this. So you can be able to control all those critical device action, and you can now choose to have the approval from a second administrator. So this will be going to be provide you more safer environment and the safer execution in your workplace. So and the next is multi administrative approval is also been supported for the role based access control. Role based access control is basically being used in majority of the organization to provide the a specific role based access to either for the application packager or based on the help desk operator or your IT IT team. So with this, you will be have also a dual authorization process. So that will be going to be protect from unauthorized any control changes. So the second administrator will have the more control over it. So right now, access policy are also supported for the various resources like the application scripts and all those policy types. Okay, so yeah, so moving to the next, managed home screen for the Android Enterprise dedicated devices. So this is the recent update which was been added as part of this service release. And as you can see, there would be two new features got introduced With this, one is the offline mode that will be going to allow the user to access the designed apps when the device is offline and unable to connect to the network. And the another added feature is app access without signing in. So this will be going to allow you basically for launching a specifically app from the sign in screen. So this is more helpful if you are using the dedicated devices in your organization or managing it. So and you can see it all those like experience in the screenshot set by the Arnav and based on that how basically it works on that part. So we will have like more detailed post coming up in the future. And the next announcement with respect to the like Android device management with respect to the application configuration policy. So with this new release, Intune now supports more variable values. So this value will be going to be added for account name, device name, serial number, employee ID, likewise. So you will be able to provide some many more values while creating the application configuration profile. So which was being mostly used for controlling the application behavior and the permission with respect to the any of the application you are targeting to your mobile devices. There is another newly added configuration in the for the Android enterprises, which is hiding the organization name settings. So you will have new policy introduction. You can be able to prevent the enterprise name from displaying on the devices. Like the settings, you can once you will set it as true. This will be not going to display any of the organization name on the devices, such as on the lock screen areas. So this is good change with respect to the security perspective and the privacy. And with respect to the device enrollment, Intune started supporting the latest Ubuntu 22.04 or the later version. So Microsoft Intune and Intune app for the Linux will be going to support this version, and devices that are currently enrolled on the earlier version will be going to be remain enrolled, like even though this version is earlier version is not no longer supported. So if you think if you are unable to enroll any of the devices which is on the lower version, you can just quickly check it out device inventory report by navigating to the Intune devices tab, and you will be get to know what other OS version you have inside your environment which is running on the any other lower version or the latest version. These are the newly added in the roadmap. So basically this is started added for this month and expected to be rolled out on the September. So what exactly it will be going to bring up, this will be going to provide you more control to manage all those endpoint securities roles. For example, BitLocker policies, endpoint detections, which basically GK was referring before it about the BitLocker and all those stuffs. So you will be able to manage it more with respect to your role-based access control. So this will be expected to be a general availability on which is not yet clear, but rollout will be going to start on the next month. Okay, I think is it same? Okay, yeah. So this is more about Intune Suite add-on capabilities. So as part of the improvement and the roadmap, as you know, Intune Suite contains the various add-on capabilities. So EPAM will be going to be now support approved, will allow user who are not assigned as a primary user of a device to initiate a request. So this is the newly added as a roadmap. And the another was related to the remote help ability. So remote help, with the remote help, you will be have more unattended access for the Windows devices. So this is expected to be rolled out on the next year. Like you can see in a rollout start on the January 2026, and this feature will be going to be expected on October 2025. Yeah, so that is all about like Intune newly arrived features, and there is a couple of more with respect to the like settings catalog and although which I didn't like highlighted here, but yeah, you can check it out from the what's new in the Intune Microsoft page, or you can have the SCCM coverage as well as on the new features. So now I will be going to be navigate to the Windows 65 Cloud PC. So as like compared to the Intune, Windows 65 Enterprise and the Business also have like releases which comes on every month as part of the service releases. So as part of this month update, they have like introduced a feature which you can be able to now recover the Windows 65 Enterprises cloud PC that were reprovisioned due to the license expired. So most often, like we have seen this experience. Some occasion the license expiration would be costing us to data lost and all those things. So you will be able to now restore it from the your captured snapshot. But this doesn't going to be include that where we like deprovisioned when the license was like knowingly removed by the user. So there is various prerequisites that you need to meet it before you can be able to utilize this feature. Yeah. And next, with respect to the like redirection, so redirection is basically will be going to be disabled for the newly provisioned or reprovisioned cloud PC. So by default, now like you once you will be going to provision any of the cloud PC, all those like clipboard, drive, USB, printer, all those redirection will be going to be disabled it. But when it comes to the control as a like admin, you can be able to manage it with respect to the Intune setting catalog or the group policy if those cloud PC are hybrid joined. So you just need to navigate to the settings catalog and you can be able to allow all those redirection based on your needs and apply to that listed like group of the cloud PC that contains. And this is all about like Microsoft 365 Reserve, so which is on now released in the public preview, but it is limited right now. So Windows 65 Reserve is basically going to be help you to like provide a temporary and dedicated cloud PC access. So whenever the user primary PC is available, you will be granting user to 10 days of the cloud PC access per year. So there is a various like license requirement is involved with respect to it. So you just need to make sure this was being used, and the IT admin must need to set up the provisioning policy and the group assignment at least 7 days before the cloud PC is being deployed. So based on that, user and admins will be going to be receive notification when the user's time is end. Like you can see it in the screenshot shown here. Yeah. So now next comes to the like feature which may be more exciting for you when it comes to the development feature. So there is various features are considering right now is it on the in the development, but I have selected some of the features so which is expected to be released as part of the like upcoming service release. So PowerShell script support when installing like Win32 app. So for this added flexibility when installing apps, you will be going to be like have like extra, I mean space where you will be going to be upload the PowerShell script to install. Right now it would be going to be a limit for the like enterprise app catalog, but coming soon it will be going to be support all those like Win32 application natively once this feature will be on the public release or in the GA. And the next is with respect to the filter device configuration by the policy types. So while navigating to the like Intune Admin Center device configuration, you can use the add filter so that you can be able to uh, filter the policy with respect to the platform or like various parameters. For example, the last modification date. So you will be and the next is with respect to the endpoint privilege management dashboard. So as part of like EPAM, like continuous improvement, there would be dashboard for the EPAM, which will be going to bring you the insights to support having your user like run as a standard user in place of running of local administrative permission. So with this dashboard, you will be going to be like get more understanding on the file elevation trends, which is basically followed inside the organization premises. So yeah. So this is all about like Intune and Windows 65 features and all those. So if you have any questions, we'll be going to cover up in the Q&A sessions. So yeah.